Hi friends, today we'll discuss few more important banking exam questions along with answers and explanation also. What is the full form of MCX? Multi Commodity Exchange of India Limited. MCX is the India's first commodity derivative exchange facilitating online trading of commodities like gold, silver, etc. When was MCX started operations? 10th November 2003. Headquarters in Mumbai. Where is the world's biggest gold trading platform located? Shanghai Gold Exchange. In which country SHIFT headquarters located? Belgium. SHIFT will be used to transfer cross-border payments. When you are transferring money from one country to another country, SHIFT will be useful. Which bank has been identified as #1 bank by customers in India as per Forbes World's Best Bank Survey? It is HDFC Bank. Which is the headquarters for the Suryoday Small Financial Bank, Mumbai? Which is the headquarters for the Paytm, Noida, UP? What is the full form of MSF? Marginal Standing Facility. MSF is a window for banks to borrow from the Reserve Bank of India in emergency situation when interbank liquidity dries up completely. Under MSF, banks can borrow funds up to 1% of their net demand and time liabilities. What is the full form of LAF? Liquidity Adjustment Facility. Who is the MD and CEO of the Axis Bank? Amit Chaudhary. Axis Bank headquarters in Mumbai. Which bank is launched Ace Money Micro ATM Service? ICICI Bank. What is the full form of BEAM? BSC E-Agriculture Marketing Limited. BEAM is an electronic spot platform which is launched by Agricultural Commodities. What is the full form of GDP? Gross Domestic Product. What is the full form of CFID? Corporation Finance Investigation Department. This is responsible for carrying out primary detailed investigation on frauds, diversion of funds, materials misstatement in financial statement, fraudulent related party transactions, non-compliance with objective of issue of IPO. What is the full form of MIRSD? Market Intermediate Regulation and Supervision Department. Who is the chairman of SEBI? Ajay Tyagi. Ajay Tyagi was appointed chairman on 10th February 2017. What is the full form of FSDC? Financial Stability and Development Council, founded in December 2010. Financial Stability and Development Council is an apex level body constituted by the Government of India. The idea to create such a super regulatory body was first mooted by Raghuram Rajan Committee in 2008. Which is the full form of NCMC? National Common Mobility Debit Card. Is an interoperable transport card by the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs of Government of India. The transport card enables the users to pay the travel, toll duties, retail shopping also. Name of the world's first crypto bank, Unicas, was launched by the Kasha of UK. What is the full form of NAV? Net Asset Value. The NAV per the unit is the market value of security of a scheme divided by the total number of units of the scheme on a particular date. Who is the president of Confederation of Indian Industry? Uday Kotak, headquarters in New Delhi. What is the full form of KVIC? The Khadi and Village Industries Commissions. KVIC is a statutory body formed in April 1957 by the Government of India under the Act of Parliament Khadi and Village Industries Commission Act of 1956. What is the full form of CREDAI? Confederation of Real Estate Developers Association of India. CREDAI, Real Estate Developers Association of India, established in 1999, is the apex body for all private real estate developers in India. Who is the CEO of HDFC Bank? Shashidhar Jagadishan. Who is the MD and CEO of Airtel Bank? Anubrata Biswas. Thank you friends. If you like my videos, please subscribe and share with your friends. If you have any queries, please call me or send me a mail.